I was really excited about the offer for the clinic, and we're going to work with them on those details.
And excited Mayor Nutter even before getting the results of Dr. Oz's 50-minute physical. Free exams on about 1,000 Philadelphians just a few weeks ago at Temple University.
2 human beings walked in here today that might not have walked out of here later today. 2 individuals came in here, one of them with a blood count that was 1/3 of what you and I have.
Dr. Oz and Dr. Mike Sirigliano conferred and had Karen Wheeler immediately admitted to Temple Hospital.
There should be no one in America walking around with a hemoglobin as low as yours is.
After 4 blood transfusion and rehydration, Karen was stabilized.
You look so much better.
She was lucky, but many others may not be, according to the results of Dr. Oz's Philadelphia Health Report Card.
43%.
Obviously, there were problems.
43% obese, 43% high blood pressure, 40% borderline diabetic.
Frightening. Frightening.
I wouldn't say frightening or alarming.
Philadelphia Health Commissioner Dr. Donald Swartz is well aware of the problem.
I'd say it is the way it is, and if we looked at any city, we'd probably see very similar numbers.
If we don't get a handle on this problem, our country is in for a perfect storm of health problems.
We now have more children than we've ever had who have diabetes in Philadelphia.
It's an uphill battle, but city officials say they've been chipping away at it for the past couple of years, including many changes to prevent obesity, the root of so many other chronic health problems.
We are promoting healthy food in communities that haven't seen healthy food in a long time.
The areas in red, they're furthest away from healthy food sources.
Low-income neighborhoods depending on corner stores and fast food restaurants for most meals.
Fried chicken and fries.
Because the closest supermarket may be a cab ride or a couple bus transfers away.
Where when we go to talk to children and we show them a tomato, they don't know what it is because they've never seen a fresh one before.
They see plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables now in neighborhoods like Point Breeze.
Look at his showcase. He has the vegetables. He even got cabbage over there.
We have more than 600 corner stores that for the first time are selling fresh produce, and 100 of them are selling at least 20 items of fresh produce.
And 10 new farmers markets have been set up in targeted areas too, all with a one-time setup cost, he says, paid for using about $2 million of federal stimulus money. And there are other incentives to keep them affordable and attractive to families not used to healthy eating.
So if you spent $5 at a farmer's market in your food stamp allocation, we gave you an additional $2 extra of food stamps to spend at that farmer's market.
Wow.
And people did it.
Commissioner Swartz says it's way too soon to tell just how well all the changes are working, but he believes they're off to a very good start.
We're wasting less food, and it's not costing Philadelphians anything.
What is costing all of us big time is health care.
You have a very subtle heart murmur.
Commissioner Swartz says half of patients seen at public clinics are like Karen Wheeler, out of a job, out of insurance, out of money for medication, and very sick.
So we as a nation have to do something about this.
Because this will cost us in the long run more money.
Details are being finalized for that mega health clinic featuring Dr. Oz, scheduled for this October. We're going to be passing that information along to you very soon. But right now, you could go to myfoxphilly.com for all kinds of help through the Get Healthy Philly program and a list of free health fairs starting this Saturday, sponsored by Mercy Home Health and the Black Clergy. Joyce Evans, Fox 29 News.